I want to tell you about a case I was working with just recently. So this is an athlete who has run like triathlons and things like that, and or was it marathons? I can't remember, but it was big, right? And there was pain in the hip, and that pain had been in a chronic situation for a very, very, very long time. And so, in working with this individual, the individual was communicating a lot of like, well, this muscle, and then this muscle, and then this muscle, and that's what I feel in this muscle, and so on, right? Sure, because that pain is there, and that's how that understanding for that person is, right? My muscles hurt. But then I said, okay, well, can we do something a little bit different today? Why don't we try this? Why don't you start to feel into this part of your body? And what I did was I started to actually do an assisted pendiculation, which is a style of treatment that I do with my one-on-one clients. And we were doing this assisted pendiculation. And as we were doing that, my instructions were, don't think muscles. Can you feel what comes up when we're working with this area? Was there resistance? Did you have a memory? Do emotions come up for you? What's your experience in this space? And interestingly, almost right away, the tears started to come. And then there was this memory of a fall. Okay, well, not really a memory. I mean, the person knew what had happened, but rather just brought it forward in that moment, right? Oh, this fall had happened, and it was really scary. And I thought I was going to die. And then I didn't go get help afterwards, which kind of got me in the situation I'm in today. And so there's a lot of emotion around that idea, right, of having a really scary moment that's showing up in the body as pain. And what was really cool was that as we were going through this process of that treatment that I was doing, there was a lightening up of the space. Sure, there's lots that we'll need to do to kind of help that along, but there was a lightening up of the space, a sense of more ease within that space as we went along. And that's really cool because in actual fact, I didn't do a lot. I was just, helping to move that leg around in a particular kind of way and asking that person to be in the experience of it. This is the somatic piece because we have to learn to sense and to feel and to experience ourselves. This is the beauty of somatics. There is so much stored in this body of our life experiences and our traumas and our accidents and all that sort of thing. And we have to go in here and listen and feel and sense to allow them to process out. So the next time you're thinking about your injury in the terms of like muscles and bones and this and that, right? Well, more muscles actually and soft tissue, really. No, I'm gonna take bones away. More muscle and soft tissue. Start to kind of have a different perspective and maybe speak to your body a little bit or get quiet and move that part of your body around and see what emotions or thoughts arise when you move that space. This is the inquiry. This is the brilliance of being in a somatic space and doing that kind of work. So give it a try and then let us know in the comments what you find out.